Friend, first I will log out, then I will log in and show you how to register. So, with my profile, let's log out. I will link this in the description. So, you have to register here. Uh, Put your email ID, put your username, put your password, and solve the captcha. Solve the captcha and then register. After registering, you will be able to log in. Go to login. As I have already had created the account. All the captcha. I will pause little bit over here. Let's log in. Now see, you can see I have logged in. Now over here on the dashboard you can see how much I have earned. How much I have earned in one day. I got 62,000 tokens, 62,200 tokens. These are the tokens I have earned by watching PTC ads, and I got no energy right now. But this I will show you how I have collected these tokens. First, I will show you you can earn by watching PTC ads. You can earn by watching PTC ads. For one PTC ads, you can get around 3,000 tokens, 5,000 tokens. You can see I have completed the 5,001, 3,001, and this is the lowest rate one. So I am creating this video to review. The next video I will create on withdraw. So after visiting PTC ad, you have to fill the captcha. After the timer quits, after timer is completed, you have to fill the captcha and just verify. After verifying, you will get this token. You can see over here. I have received 1,250 tokens, which is added in my main balance. Which is added in my main balance. This is how you can earn the tokens. Here I got one more token over here of 5,000. I will not claim this because the video will get too longer. So let's proceed to the another way. These are the short links. By clicking on the short links, you can claim. By clicking on the short link, you can claim. You will get the two links over here. You have to complete both the links, and you have to earn. So you will get 7,500 tokens and 3 energy over here. Remember, in the PTC ad you don't get energy, but if you clear the short link, you get three energies over here. You can see over here energy plus the tokens. Now let's go the another way. This is the auto faucet. You can see it's a auto faucet. You have to keep this page open. After keeping the page open, you will get the 1 minute timer over here. In the 1 minute, you will get 50 tokens. In the 1 minute, you get 50 tokens. 10 minutes, you will get 500 tokens. Almost in 1 hour, if you calculate, you will get around 6,000 tokens in 1 hour. So this way you have to claim. This is the auto faucet. Seven, six, five, four, three, two, one. Now I have received the 50 tokens, and these are added in my main balance. This is added in my main balance. You can see here 50 tokens. Good job. So you can even claim manually. This is the manual faucet. You can claim manually. You can see over here manual faucet. This is the manual faucet page. Here you have to solve the captcha. To solve this captcha, you can see over here there is the two captchas. One I have solved. One captcha I have solved, and the another one is this. Now this how we'll go to solve is that 3 plus 2 is 5. 2 plus 2 is 4, and 2 plus 4 is 6. So 5, 4 and 6. So I have to select 5 first, then 4 and then 6. Now the captcha is cleared. Now we can collect the reward. You can see over here I have received 3000 tokens which are added in my main balance. Good job. The another way here is fortune wheel of fortune. You can see over here 100 claims are left. 100 claims are left. 1 minute, 3 energy per claim. So I have to solve the captcha. So let's solve the captcha over here. 7, 3 and 9. 7, 3 and 9. But I don't have enough energy to claim this. You can see over here, first we have to collect the energies, but I don't have enough energy to claim because the bonus is around 5 lakh, or jackpot is around I don't know how much it's 55,000, 10,000, lakh, 50 lakh, 500 crore I think. Jackpot around 500 crore tokens. So I will not claim this. Let's move forward. Let's go to the mining one. This is the mining. the mining, and you have to start the mining. After starting the mining, you can claim this, but remember, you can only withdraw if you have mined 50,000 tokens. 50,000 tokens you can withdraw. So you can see over here the total. You have to come to 50,000 to withdraw. The minimum withdrawal is 50,000. So this is the mining one. And here is the dice roll. You can earn with rolling the dice. You can earn by rolling dice. You can bet amount. You are ready to roll. Roll number 49, under 49 or over. So I have just chosen the roll under 49. So I have won. So I have won the 485 tokens. You can see over here I have won 485 tokens. Remember, you have to roll under or over. Choice is yours. So thanks guys. My referral link, which you can earn even by referring. My referral link will be provided under this video. So if you like, you can join, because such a good site, and this is I think a legit site, because you have heard about Shiba. Shiba is going too high. The Elon Musk is just tweeting it and tweeting, going on tweeting, and it's going popular like. And I think you'll be interested. I hope you collect around 1 crore, 1 crore Shiba, 1 crore. I mean 1 crore 50 lakh Shiba token, and withdraw from this website. You get withdraw. Good luck. Just subscribe my channel if you like. Thank you.